Welcome back to my channel, My Hobby House. Today in this video we are gonna bake some special cookies, that's meringue cookies. These are light, airy cookies with crisp interiors. They are so yummy and just melts in your mouth. These are usually made with egg whites, but today we are gonna make it very easily using this, that's meringue powder. These are powdered egg whites. It's primarily used for making royal icing. This is Wilton's meringue powder. In India, you can get this in different brands. Before going into the recipe, subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for more exciting DIYs and exotic recipes. In a bowl, add 1/4 cup of meringue powder and 1/2 cup of water. Mix it well without lumps. Using an electric hand mixer, start mixing it in medium speed. Once the mixture have frothed up, you can start adding sugar. Add 1 and 1/3 cups of sugar. Add little by little at a time. If you are using granulated sugar, you need to whip for a long time and make sure the final mixture is not grimy. So, it's better to use powdered sugar. Powdered sugar dissolves soon and makes the process easy. You should continue to whip until a stiff peak is formed. A stiff peak is that it stands like this and doesn't fall off. Separate the mixture in different bowls and add food coloring to it. Put the mixture in the piping bags and keep it ready. Take a baking tray and lay a parchment paper on top. The first tip I'm using for the green cookies is Wilton's 4B tip. The tip for the blue cookies or Wilton's 2D tip, that's the flower tip. You should bake it immediately once you finish piping. Bake at 110 degrees Celsius for 50 to 60 minutes. You should bake this at very low temperature, otherwise the cookies will be burnt. For the second tray, I'm gonna make meringue pops. For this, you can use skewer sticks or cake pop sticks. Lay the sticks flat and pipe on the top. Bake at 110 degrees Celsius for 50 to 60 minutes. Switch it off and leave it in the oven. Let them cool down completely. So, now the meringue cookies are all ready. It's so crispy and light. My kids can't wait to eat. They're so yummy and delicious. Try it in your home and let me know in the comments how it turned out. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. See you in the next video.